Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Chrome automatically open when Windows 11 start. First you need to right click on the taskbar, go to Task Manager, go to the Startup tab. If you see Google Chrome in this list, you just need to select that one, and if it is enabled in the status section, just tap on disable. Now it is not in the list, so that means it is not affected for this one. If you see that one, make sure to disable that one, then after close this. Then after open the Google Chrome, tap on three dots in the top right corner, scroll down and go to setting. Left sidebar, go to system option, toggle off the continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed option. Make sure to turn it off like this, then after close this one. Now go to start menu, go to setting, go to accounts option, scroll down and go to sign in options, scroll down and go to additional settings section, turn off automatically save my restartable apps and restart them when I sign back in. Make sure to turn it off like this, and turn off this one also, not turn on, turn off like this. Then after close this one and go to search bar again, search for run, tap on it. Now you need to type shell dot startup and hit enter. If you see Google Chrome shortcut in here, just right click on it and delete that shortcut. Then after close this one. Now open Google Chrome, tap on three dots, scroll down, go to setting, tap on startup. Make sure to select open the new page option. Do not select these two options, select this one. Then after you can restart your computer, then you will be able to fix the issue. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.